Azure Container Registry, ACR, is a managed private Docker registry service in Azure. It allows you to store and manage container images and artifacts in a private registry for all types of container deployments. ACR integrates seamlessly with Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, Azure DevOps, and other Azure services, providing a comprehensive solution for container lifecycle management. Using ACR provides several benefits, including enhanced security, scalability, and integration with Azure services. It supports geo-replication, which allows you to manage a single registry across multiple regions. This ensures high availability and disaster recovery. Additionally, ACR offers automated image builds and base image updates, simplifying the management of container images. To set up an ACR, you need an Azure subscription. You can create a registry through the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell. The process involves specifying the registry name, resource group, and location. You can choose from different SKUs, basic, standard, premium, based on your needs. Once created, you can start pushing and pulling container images to and from the registry. Pushing images to ACR involves tagging your local Docker images with the ACR login server name and then using Docker commands to push them. For example, you can tag an image using Docker tag myimage latest myregistry.azure.cr.io/myimagelatest and push it using Docker push myregistry.azure.cr.io/myimagelatest. This makes the image available in your private registry for deployment. To pull images from ACR, you need to authenticate with the registry. This can be done using Azure Active Directory, AAD credentials, or an admin account. Once authenticated, you can use Docker commands to pull images. For example, Docker pull myregistry.azure.cr.io/myimagelatest will download the specified image from your ACR to your local environment. Azure CLI provides a powerful way to manage your ACR. You can use commands like azacr create to create a registry, azacr repository list to list repositories, and azr repository delete to delete a repository. Azure CLI also supports tasks like building and running container images directly within ACR, making it a versatile tool for container management. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, can seamlessly integrate with ACR to deploy containerized applications. You can configure AKS to authenticate with ACR using Azure AD or service principals. This allows AKS to pull images from your private registry and deploy them in your Kubernetes clusters. This integration simplifies the deployment process and enhances security. ACR Tasks is a feature that allows you to automate the building and updating of container images. You can define tasks using YAML files or through the Azure portal. ACR Tasks supports automated builds triggered by source code changes or base image updates. This ensures that your container images are always up to date and reduces manual intervention. Geo-replication in ACR allows you to replicate your container registry across multiple Azure regions. This ensures high availability and reduces latency for global deployments. You can enable geo-replication through the Azure portal or Azure CLI. Once enabled, your images and artifacts are automatically replicated, providing a robust solution for disaster recovery and regional performance optimization. Security is paramount when managing container registries. ACR provides several features to enhance security, including Azure AD integration, network isolation, and content trust. You can use Azure AD roles to control access to your registry and enable private endpoints to restrict network access. Content trust ensures that only signed images are pulled from the registry, enhancing the integrity of your deployments. Monitoring and logging are crucial for maintaining the health and performance of your ACR. Azure Monitor and Azure Log Analytics can be used to track metrics and logs related to your registry. You can monitor image pull and push operations, track storage usage, and set up alerts for critical events. This helps in proactive management and troubleshooting of your container registry. Managing costs is an important aspect of using ACR. The cost depends on the SKU selected, basic, standard, premium, and the storage and network usage. Azure provides cost management tools to monitor and optimize your spending. You can set up budgets, analyze cost trends, and use Azure Advisor recommendations to reduce costs. Understanding the pricing model and actively managing usage helps in optimizing expenses. Let's consider a case study of a company that successfully implemented ACR. XYZ Corp, a global e-commerce platform, needed a scalable and secure solution for managing container images. By using ACR, they achieved seamless integration with their AKS clusters, automated image builds with ACR tasks, and ensured high availability with georeplication. This resulted in improved deployment speed, enhanced security, and reduced operational overhead. Azure Container Registry is a powerful tool for managing container images and artifacts. It offers seamless integration with Azure services, robust security features, and automation capabilities. By understanding and leveraging ACR, you can enhance your container deployment workflows and ensure high availability and performance. As a next step, explore the Azure documentation and hands-on labs to deepen your understanding and practical skills in using ACR.